Have you begun investing, or are you considering it? Well, for newcomers, it can be scary and overwhelming, but it is not as difficult as you might imagine. Today, we will look at the top 5 best investment apps for beginners. Whether you're a seasoned investor or novice, you should stick around because we guarantee that some of these apps are worth checking out and could turn you into the next billionaire. Investing now appears to be more accessible than ever. Anyone can get started with only a single finger tap. However, with so many financial options and apps to choose from, it is easy to fill your nose with useless information. So how do you get a conclusion? The apps we will be looking at today are unique in their own right. What you're looking for is the deciding factor. Thus, if you want the complete overview of each one, well, then stick around to have the full details on what each app offers and which one is the best fit for you. But first, if this is your first visit to our Smart Stocks Academy channel, please accept my warmest greetings. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell next to it to be the first to know when a new video like this is released. Now, let's get to the video. Acorns. In 2012, Acorns was founded with the goal of encouraging incremental and passive investing. Simply told, it makes investing simple even if you don't have a lot of money or time. One of Acorns' notable selling points is that their roundup feature, which allows you to set up your account so that whenever you make a purchase with a debit or credit card, the cost is automatically rounded up to the nearest whole dollar, and the extra change is saved in an account for you, which is automatically invested when it reaches $5. With only a small sum of money, investing is quite simple. Another wonderful feature is automated investing. You can choose how much money you want to donate every day, week, month, or the next 100 years, and Acorns will take that amount from your bank account and invest it for you. Acorns offer 5 pre-built investing portfolios that range from conservative to aggressive. This eliminates a lot of guesswork in deciding on how to invest your money. The only disadvantage is that you can't rebalance your portfolio or invest in individual stocks or index funds because of the limit. Acorns, on the other hand, charges a monthly fee that ranges from $1 to $2 to $5 per month, with higher tiers providing access to IRA or custodial accounts for your children. Although $1 to $5 may not appear to be a large sum, if you consider the subscription cost as a fee, it could be quite costly depending on how much money you decide to invest. However, if you're the type of person who struggles to save on their own or simply wants a straightforward way to invest, the monthly charge will be well worth it. Acorns is an excellent choice for those who are new to investing. It is a simple and stress-free approach to get the job done. Following that, we have Stash. Stash allows you to get started with just $5. When you use a Stash debit card, it allows you to set up automated investment and offers a roundup feature similar to Acorns. Stash can also create a smart portfolio for you that is tailored to your risk tolerance. They will rebalance it quarterly and you won't have to worry about it. One of the biggest benefits is that it allows you to acquire fractional shares of stocks or exchange-traded funds. Another interesting feature is that their stock return program. Instead of rewards, the Stash debit card gives you a fractional shares of a company stock when you use it. A dividend reinvestment option is also available through Stash. Your investment profits is deposited into your cash account, and when they reach the maximum you designate, they are automatically reinvested. Stash has 3 subscription tiers, $1, $3, and $9, with the higher tiers providing access to IRAs and custodial accounts. If Acorns is a little too safe for you, Stash provides more options. M1 Finance is our next app. This is probably the most advanced option in all of these apps. It allows you to choose from a variety of portfolios or create your own from scratch. Additionally, they provide commission-free trading and automatic investing. Unlike the other applications on the list, M1 Finance has a $100 minimum investment requirement, as well as a $25 minimum on automatic trades. Only market orders are available on M1. There are no restrictions or prohibitions. Although it isn't a deal breaker, you should be aware of it. M1 has a free and paid version. The the paid version costing $125 a year, but you get a 1% APY on your cash accounts, 1% cashback, custodial accounts, and the ability to borrow up to 35% of your portfolio's value at 2% interest rates. While $125 each year may seem expensive, depending on your demands, it may be beneficial in the long term. Following that, we have Public. Public has all of the normal elements of an investing app, as well as the ability to view other people's portfolios. It offers commission-free transactions, no maintenance fees, no minimum investments, and fast access to cash to its consumers. They don't presently allow recurring deposits. However, this option is in the works. Another disadvantage is that unlike other applications on the list, they do not yet provide IRAs and there is no automatic option. You have complete control over your assets. However, you must choose between equities and exchange-traded funds, and Public will provide market stop and limit options on your trades. Public also allows you to acquire fractional shares, which they refer to as slices. The creator of Public stated that they aim to make investing more accessible and less daunting. One surefire way to do is by using their visually appealing themes. These are stock collections that have been curated based on specific criteria. Public also has social features that make it even more appealing. Through this, you can follow other investors, ask questions, discuss new ideas, and engage in intergroup talks about certain companies and even check what other people are investing in. Public's best feature is the social aspect of it. But another significant disadvantage is their 2.4% annual percentage yield on uninvested cash up to $10,000. As a result, Public is a very appealing place to park your money while studying the market. Public is the best choice for curious beginners who are ready to test the waters by making their own investments because of the curated stock themes, social component, and no minimum investment. It is a good place for experienced investors who want to make money on the side and trade without commissions. SoFi is currently ranked last on the list. SoFi is a one-stop shop for everything financial. It is most likely the best option for long-term investors who want to make money. SoFi provides a variety of financial services such as loans and refinancing, and it is well worth your time to investigate what they have to offer. SoFi can build a portfolio for you based on your goals and rebalance it for you, or you can make active trades yourself. They also provide automatic investing, commission-free stock, and fractional share trades, drips, market, and limit orders but no stop orders and IRA access. Individual stock trades have a 0% commission. However, SoFi charges a management fee for its exchange-traded funds. It allows you to buy some cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, unlike the other applications. Another unique feature would be the ability to participate in initial public offerings before they are traded on a stock market. SoFi, like Public, lets users share investment portfolios, follow other users, comment on their transactions, and see how they compare to the market and other users via a dynamic scoreboard. One of the nicest things about SoFi is that you can talk to a financial expert for free. SoFi is the ideal option for consumers who value a sense of community and the chance to seek professional financial advice, as well as go deep into topics like cryptocurrency and initial public offerings. Finally, there's Acorns, Stash, M1 Finance, Public, and SoFi. It has been a long voyage, and we've covered a lot of territory. Have any of these apps been useful to you? Let us know how it went in the comment section below. And with that, the video for today comes to a close. To express your love and support for this video, click the like button below if you haven't already. Also, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button. And to be the first to know when a new video is posted, turn on the notification bell next to it. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and we hope you enjoy yourself. We look forward to seeing you again soon.